I had gum in my seats. I had ground in Cheetos, chocolate bars. Alright guys, today I want to talk about the leather seats in our Dodge Chargers and Challengers. So when I first got this car and I had heard that it had come with these leather seats, I wasn't overly impressed or didn't think one way or the other with these. But I've had my car for 2 years now, and I have 3 little rugrats who make a mess out of my car. And let me tell you that I am in love with these leather seats. I was afraid with the kids that, I would have that issue of getting these cleaned properly. But this past weekend I had some time to clean these seats. And let me tell you that these seats clean up so nice to the point where they look brand new. I had gum in my seats. I had ground in Cheetos, chocolate bars, and just with a little all-purpose degreaser, just cheap version, and a microfiber towel, my seats look brand new. I mean, I cannot believe it. I mean, you got the back and forth, nice and clean. I absolutely love these seats. I can't get over how well they clean up. I thought that with what I saw ground into these seats, there's no way I was getting it up. And to be honest, I was too embarrassed to give you a before and after. They were just that bad. But I'm excited that I can get these things clean, like factory clean, with just a quick all-purpose degreaser, fabric, and a microfiber towel. So if anyone's interested in like a review on these seats, let me tell you, absolutely love them. So with that, I'll leave you guys with that, and like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you guys soon.